In this video, we'll be showing you how to use your Google Gemini to summarize a video. So here we have our Google Gemini, and we're just going to type the prompt. So we have the prompt, please summarize this video. The next thing we're going to do is to get the link to the video that we wish to summarize. So we're going to go to the video. So here we have the video, and we're going to click on the link in the search bar. We're going to copy it, come back over to Gemini, and paste it here. So we're just going to give a space and click on paste. In here we have the link, which has also been converted to the name of the video, but the link is embedded in that name. So we have please summarize this video, and here is the link. Now we're going to click on send. Here you can see that Google Gemini has a summary of the video. It starts with the name of the video and the name of the channel, and then you have the summary of this video, and then you have the video thumbnail here for you to view if you'd like to view more on that video. So this is how to use Google Gemini to summarize a video.